Hello everyone, we are authorized to broadcast the content of Conquering the GRE Writing Exam, a step-by-step guide to a perfect score, Book 1, which is available for purchase on Amazon. Welcome to order. Here is the content of the book. Conquering the GRE Writing Exam, a step-by-step guide to a perfect score, Book 1. Beatrice Newman. Introduction. A. Importance of GRE Writing Exam. The GRE Writing Exam is a critical component of the Graduate Record Examination, GRE, which is a standardized test commonly required for admission to graduate programs in the United States and many other countries. The writing exam assesses a candidate's ability to analyze complex arguments, support their own arguments with evidence, and effectively communicate their ideas in writing. B. Overview of the book. This book, Conquering the GRE Writing Exam, a step-by-step guide to a perfect score, provides a comprehensive guide to help you excel on the GRE Writing Exam. Through expert advice, detailed strategies, and plenty of practice exercises, you'll gain the skills and confidence needed to earn a perfect score on the exam. The following chapters will help you to understand the GRE Writing Exam, provide you with strategies to prepare for the exam, and offer step-by-step guidance for both the Analyze an Issue and Analyze an Argument tasks. You'll also learn advanced techniques for success, including how to use transitions and rhetorical devices effectively, and how to incorporate research and examples into your writing. With this book as your guide, you'll be well prepared to tackle the GRE Writing Exam and earn a top score.